The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard watch, which is in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon. The winter storm watch has been canceled. Timing: heavy snowfall will spread northeastward across the area midday Tuesday and continue through Tuesday night, as the snowfall from the storm system starts to wind down during Wednesday morning and early afternoon. Lake effect snow will have developed on the Illinois side of the lake. Increasingly heavy and more concentrated lake effect snow will shift into far northwest Indiana during Wednesday afternoon and persist into Wednesday evening before shifting further off to the east into southwest lower Michigan and north-central Indiana. Accumulations. Total accumulations from Monday morning through Wednesday evening are expected to be in excess of 18 inches in north-central Illinois, and in excess of 28 inches over northeast and east-central Illinois, as well as northwest Indiana. Local amounts in excess of 44 inches are possible in far northwest Indiana, depending on exactly where the lake effect snow band sets up and how persistent it is over any one location. Hazards: blizzard conditions with considerable blowing and drifting snow and frequent whiteout conditions. Impacts: nearly impossible travel conditions as snow will be accumulating at a rapid rate during the peak of the snowstorm Tuesday afternoon and night.